Okay, just wait for 2 minutes. After that, I will start. Okay, let all the students join. And after that, I will share you two feedback forms. And I think I have given you the QR code. Who have already given their own attendance, their attendance will be cancelled. Okay. Now I'm starting the class. Seminars and conferences. This is the experiment number 10, which I am going to discuss today. The seminars and conferences. What is a seminar? You people must have heard the word seminar. What do you mean by seminar? क्या होता है seminar? Any one of you? What is the meaning of this seminar? Okay. A seminar is a meeting held for exchange of useful information by members of academia, business, industry. Suppose you people also have attended the seminars. You are the students. You have to present you all those things. That is also a seminar. Seminars and conference, these things are used in our everyday life, and we all know that these are the important part. We used to say that we have attended a seminar, we have organized, our college has organized the seminar, we are going to organize a conference. What those things? What are these things means? Now, first of all, that the seminar is a meeting held for exchange of useful information by members of academia, business, industry. It brings together groups of people from a particular sector for recurring meetings focusing each time on a particular topic. During seminar, people present their research, new process, new technology in order get views of others. Hence, the participants of a seminar need to be very active and contribute significantly to the development of the research areas presented. However, as compared with the classroom lectures, seminars are less formal and involve more discussions. Students may have to present and participate in a number of seminars during their academic career. You people have also presented in the seminar. You people have also attended the seminars. You know what the seminar means, how useful it things that you have to make, all those, the presentations and these things. Because when you prepare yourself for any seminar, that times you too have to study on that topic. You too have to gain a deep knowledge, because any one of the participants or any one of the guests who are present in the seminar, they can ask you any questions. Now, likewise, also participate professionals also participate in seminars to enrich their knowledge on various topics. Besides seminars, there is another professional meeting, that is conference. The professional meetings which are held, they are basically known as conference. Conference, which is also a type of business meeting also, you can say academic meeting also, say the presentation of papers also, can say peoples from different countries, peoples of different areas from India, different states from India, they used to come in a conference, they used to attend a conference, there they used to present the papers, the articles, and what things they have new researched. Some people try to attend the conferences because to gain knowledge they are doing research on those topics. If they will attend these types of conferences, they will be get benefited for writing their journals, for writing their papers. Sometimes you people also will get, you have to write your technical report papers. That time you people also have to go to the conferences, seminars you have to attend, because only not your views, not your ideas, you have to take the views of others, you have to gain the ideas from the other experts, because you are new to those fields. You don't know what you have to do, what you have to write, how you have to prepare those things to make it more effective, more and more, because any technical report, anything which you prepare, it depends, it makes your credit, it gains a plus point if that your presentation is well enough. To get a well enough presentation, that how you have to write, how you have to prepare, you have to acquire knowledge from various fields who are experts on those topics, who have already researched and still who people are researching. Likewise, okay, now just come conferences, which is also a type of business meeting and a formal one. The purpose of a conference is to confer with people having similar interests and to pool their resources. That is experiences and opinions. So, it is very important for an individual to have good presentation skill and public speaking skill to convey any information smoothly and effectively to their audience. Now, what is the main basic thing? Your communication skills. Because if your communication skill is not well enough, then how you will make anyone understand your point of view? As sometimes the conferences are of national level, sometimes they are of international level. When there is a national level conference also, there are many people who are not know many languages, but most of them knows English. So if your English will be not fluent, you don't know where to use which words for this, the translation of this word of English is what, then it will not make so much effective to the audiences. Because the main condition it is that we people speak English, we people write English, but we don't know so many words that are being not used in our everyday life. So please take care of those things whenever you are presenting any kind of conferences in future of your life, that which type of audiences you are going to get. Because at that time if you will use hi-fi English, the words which are very much, means I think that I have used so many words before this one, the role play type, you people have not heard also those terms, haptic and all those things, you have not know the what this words means. So if you will not take care of your audience, that what level of audience you are going to get, at that time you will be not get so much appreciation as you people are means that in the international level conferences when you will attend, you will see there are many words which we don't know the meaning. what they are saying, the people who have, the foreigners who have come to give their views on that basic topic on that conference. So, now what is the main objective of any seminar and any conference? To develop enthusiastic delivery style, to develop skills are comprised of effective eye contact, volume, pacing, tone, body language, word choice, and appearance. These things are basically, I have told you, already explained it also. Whenever you are giving any international conferences, that time you have to prepare a PPT, and that PPT should be very nice, effective. You must know how to operate. It should not be like means automatic that after few seconds it will change the PPT. It should be manual type, because if it will be manual, you can explain one by one. You can make it still, if anyone have any question on that topic, on regarding those topics which you are explaining, you can steal that PPT and you can just demonstrate them. It should have, must have figures, and that figure should be very clean and clear. All those things you have to look whenever you are presenting all those. And if you're doing any scanning of any topics, you have articles, if you're scanning, then please look, take care of that. The scanning you have done, it's clear, it must not be so hazy. These things you have to take care, small things, because this all things make a huge differences also. Have you prepared any PPT ever? You people have ever prepared any PPT for any presentation? No one. In the PowerPoint, you have prepared any PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For which subject you have prepared?
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैथमेटिक्स के लिए और केमिस्ट्री के लिए किए थे.
Which one? Zebra?
सेमेस्टर 1 में.
Which theorem? Zebra
सेमेस्टर
theorem?
1 में केमिस्ट्री.
Okay, you have prepared a PPT.
No, ma'am. It was
Which one? Say. Don't know. Forgotten. Okay.
I don't remember, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. You have prepared, no? You know
It
how.
was a group project for everyone.
Okay, but you people know how to make a PPT? Do you know how to make a PPT?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This time you just make a PPT. Okay. And send it to me. And the PPT topic will be that what is the condition of English in India. You have seen in the first module, what is the condition, the topic is given now? Present condition of English in India. See in the syllabus, first module, first topic it is there. You have to make a PPT of 10 to 15 slides. Okay. 10 to 15 slides you all have to make. Okay. Any problem? Can you prepare?
Ma'am, we don't have laptops.
Group. In a group you
I'm
just
preparing.
make. In a group you can make, na? Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is my voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am, it is audible.
Okay. Okay. Now, how many group you will form? From many group is there?
Ma'am, the group should be of same branch or different branch.
Same branch.
Ma'am, how many people in a group?
That I will not say, but not more than 5. Okay, it should not be not more than 5. Okay. Anything? Any more questions? So in the seminars and conferences, what you people have to write? The first thing is that you have to write the objectives. Okay, after giving the topic experiment number 10, seminar and conferences, first part you have to write the objectives. These 2 objectives you have to write. After that, from here, you have to give introduction, what is a seminar and what is a conference. You have to choose all those things from this here, and you have to define what is a seminar and what is a conference. After that, what you have to write, I will say you this first 2 things I have told you in experiment number 10, what you have to do. First objective part, after that the introduction part. In the introduction part, you have to write what is a seminar and what is a conference. Now, for the best presentation, even with solid research subject expertise, good planning, and excellent facilities, some presentations fail if a presenter does not have a confident, enthusiastic delivery style. An audience quickly loses interest and becomes bored. Research has shown that an audience opinion of a presentation is based on 7% from the presentation content, 38% from voice, 55% from facial expressions and gestures. Now, what you don't have to write for the best presentation, what you have to do, you don't have to write. Presentation style. This thing you have to write. This presentation style. How it should be the presentation style must be. Okay. How this presentation style. Presentations needs to use their own personality while focusing on their delivery skills to project the professional and confident style needed to create a successful presentation. Utilizing, but you don't have to like this. Okay, you have to just write that the presentation style. After that, you have to do underline from the black pen. Again, you have to write in a blue pen. Utilizing an interactive and lively presentation style uses nervous energy in a positive way instead of an inhibitor. Delivery skills are comprised of effective eye contact, volume, pacing, tone, body language, word choice, and appearance. Now, the next part you have to write after that objectives, after the introduction, the presentation style, after that the presentation content. What should be the presentation content? Focus their attention. Start with a clear, relevant purpose statement that shows the benefit to them. Use language that is clear and easily understood. Start with the familiar. Use examples and analogies. You don't have to write this analogies. You just have to write use examples. Okay, only this much you have to write. Don't copy all the analogies. Stay focused on your main objective. Okay, use concrete examples. This, what do you mean by this? Use concrete examples means the example should be 100% on the topic. It should not be of any side subjects. Whenever you are explaining something, it should be on that topic only. It should not cover any other topic regarding the conference topic you have chosen or the presentation you want to, means you are speaking about. Make it memorable. How you can make it memorable? How we will make it memorable? By looking at every point of view, by fulfilling your audience expectations, what they have expected from you, answering the audiences, the questions, the queries they have. And the next part is there that you have to be fluent in the communication part. Your body language should not be so stiff, should not be very serious. Normal body language, the explanation part, one by one, serially you have to do. And you have to show the slides, not too fast, not so slow. One by one, after completing one slide, just ask the audiences that have you any queries, and while finishing those things, at the end also just ask them if you have any queries, if you want to correct me from any of your views, points, opinions, please correct my views, please correct my point. You can just say you should not be there, that I have done everything correctly. You can ask. There might be something that you have not, means you are not clear, you have done wrong, your presentation was not correct. The any of the audience who is sitting over there, he must say no, it is not correct, you have to correct it, you have to justify it. So each and everything, when there is a justification, you should justify anything very nicely. That why there is a use of concrete examples here mentioned. Next, what is the physical environment? Give them a break if the room temperature have been sitting more than 1 hour, because our mind can only concentrate for not more than 45 minutes on any of the topic. If it is more than 1 hour, try to take a short break. Try to give a short break whenever there is a conference, there is a seminar. If a break isn't possible, ask them to stand up and stretch in the room only. Just stand up and just make yourself stretch up so that your mind gets again charged. Eliminate unnecessary noise, distractions. In our college also we have organized many seminars and conferences. I think 1 or 2 you people have also attended. You must have seen there is a silent atmosphere inside the conference room. There's no any noise destruction. It is totally soundproofed. Next, visual should be easily viewed by all audience members. The presenter create an attention getting introduction. Make a positive first impression. Use your voice, gesture, and facial expression for emphasis to increase retention. Write body language in presentations. Now, using your body language properly will help your presentation become interesting and engaging. Keep your weight balanced equally over both feet. Stand facing the audience. Gestures add visual emphasis to your words and help your listeners remember the content. When possible, check your physical appearance in a full-length mirror prior to your presentation. Whenever you're presenting first time for any of the presentation, try to remember that you should rehearsal at your home. You should know how you are just practicing all those things, how you will stand, how when you are going to speak on the topic, how your position is, how many times your hand movements is, the hand movements is okay, your body position whenever you are explaining, are you moving totally backside while explaining to the PPTs and all those things. Just remember, whenever you are explaining something on the PPT, on the audiovisual board, you should not totally face backwards. You should half face to the audience and half face to the PPT, means the audiovisual board, because you have to see the reaction of the audience also, whether they are satisfied, whether they have understood. Just ask them as many as time you finish your one slides, one by one each slide. When you are finishing, just ask them any questions, any problem you have regarding these things what I have explained. If you have any queries, please ask. If I have any mistakes have I done here, please just rectify me. You can ask them. You can also share some of your views after presentation of your first and second conferences, because you can say when my first conferences was there, I was so nervous and all those things. You can just explain, there is no problem. Okay. Because first time anyone who is in a conference, na, everyone used to get nervous. The thing is that only. How many times we have must prepare, but we will not be so much confident. We must feel nervous only. Next. Gestures add visual emphasis to your words and help your listeners remember the content. When possible, check your physical appearance in a full-length mirror prior to your presentation. Okay. Your appearance affects the audience perception of you. Everyone experiences nervousness before presentations. The trick is to make your excess energy work for you by fueling it into your presentation. Many people are very exciting when they're presenting first time. They're so excited, but when the presentation times comes, their all energy gets lost. They used to get so nervous. They used to speak so in a very, what I say, in a very rush, in a very huge, fast. The language is so fast. Like they have just remember, if they will not tell, they will forget each and everything. Now, next one. Your appearance affects the audience perception of you. Everyone experiences nervousness before presentations. The trick is to make your excess energy work for you by fueling it into your presentation. Good visuals help support and organize a presentation. The best way to come across as sincere and interested is to be yourself. How do you let your own personality shine through without compromising the structure and content of the presentation? Share personal experiences, as I have already explained. Use humor appropriately. Tell stories, not jokes. On which topic you are just saying on, you can just say short stories on that topic, so it makes a great impact. It's create interest for the participants also. Okay, now please switch on your video once, all of you. Please again switch on your videos for this session. Okay. I'm just taking a screenshot of you people, and those who are not just switching on their videos, let them switch off. I don't know. Okay, all right. Now, this 17 people, please give your attendance in the LMS also. Okay, I have increased the time. Now, next part. Relax. Speak in a natural conversational style. Avoid reading from a script. Use your visual aids as your notes rather than reading from them or a script. Become involved and committed to your topic. And the final part is that conclusion part. What is this conclusion part? Okay. This gives an opportunity to every student to analyze any problems analytically and to find solution ideas to every problem around them. This also encourages students to express their ideas and point of views in front of the audiences effectively. Now, topics of presentation. Here I have given some of the topics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. There are altogether 11 topics I have already given over here. So, out of this 11 topic, who will choose which one? Please tell me. Right now only just people tell me who will choose which topic.
Ma'am, you have given the topic for PPT.
Yeah. No, I have given that one also. From here also you have to choose.
Okay, ma'am.
That one is of group. And this presentation I want from you people when the college will open. Na? At that time I will just ask you people to give one by one.
Ma'am, means this presentation will not be in a group.
No, it will be individually. That's why I will give you time. I will give you time of 1 month.
Okay, ma'am.
1 month you can do, I think. You can go to any cyber cafe and you can do it. It's enough. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You can just do it in a pen drive and you can just keep it na, with yourself. Or you will do it in a group only. What you people want, just tell me your opinions.
In group is better, ma'am.
It will be group. Then shall I change the topic? Okay, then I am changing the topic. Or you will do it very, huh? Okay. Okay, let it be. The people who want to do on that topic, they will do that one. The group who want to do on these topics, they can also do. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So there will be no problem for any one of you. If you want to do on
No.
this topic, you can do on this topic. If you want to do on the previous topic, you can do it on the previous topic also. Okay. And today is 4th of January, and I think for doing the PPTs, you will need some time. Okay. So up to 14th of January, I've extended up to 14th of January, please submit. Okay. There are many days, 10 days time is there with you people. You can easily do it. Hardly 2 to 3 days it will take. I've given you 10 days time. Okay.
Ma'am, this PPT is the part of the exercise of experiment number 10.
No, it will part of the, no, it is just what I will say. You don't have to write there the experiment number 10. You just have to just write the presentation skills. Okay. Front will be your name, presentation skills, your group name, the name of the group members. After that, this is a presentation skills. Okay. Now, in the notebook, what things you have to write, I am now saying you people once again. Please listen it carefully. First part, you have to write objective. Second part, introduction. You have to write about the seminar. You have to write about the conference. Okay. Next, presentation style you have to write. Presentation content you have to write. The presentator you have to write. And the thing, conclusion. In the conclusion part, what you have to write now, listen. It gives us an opportunity to analyze any problems analytically and to find solutions, ideas to the problems which we faced around us in our day-to-day life. This encourages us to express our ideas and point of views in front of the experts and audiences effectively. Okay, you have to just write these things. And one more part, what you have to do, the topics of presentation. In the topics of presentation, you have to write the presentation topic what you have chosen. You just have to write the topic of presentation. Okay. You just have to write topic of presentation. Anything more? Any questions? Any question? Just think and ask me fast. Okay. Any of the things? Huh? हाँ.
प्रेजेंटेशन स्टाइल पूरा
क्या?
प्रेजेंटेशन स्टाइल पूरा लिखना है.
हाँ. And any more question?
मैम ये प्रेजेंटेशन ये एक्सपेरिमेंट 10 का ही एक पार्ट है ना?
हाँ. That was the part of the role play in the first class I have taken, and this is the part which I am saying this is 10 number. This is experiment number 10. Okay. Any more questions? Any more questions you people have?
सबमिट गूगल क्लासरूम में करेंगे मैम.
Yeah, you have to submit in the Google Classroom only. Just have to submit in the Google Classroom.
इंट्रोडक्शन में सिर्फ डेफिनेशन लिखना है या पूरा लिखना है इंट्रोडक्शन?
Introduction. I've told you now how you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
write. इतना और बताएंगे. How many times I will say? The introduction part you have to choose by yourself. You have to just write about the seminar and you have to just write about the conference.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Okay. Then thank you all of you. Okay. Thank
थैंक यू
you.
मैम.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
मैम.
Okay. Thank you.